Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Versa headlight easy method. Start by parking on level ground, turning off the engine, and opening the hood to access the headlight area. Remove the battery cover if needed and locate the back of the headlight assembly. Disconnect the wiring harness carefully, remove the old bulb, and install the new bulb by aligning and securing it firmly before reconnecting power. Remove the plastic cover or dust cap at the back of the headlight housing and set it aside. Press the wiring harness tab and gently pull the connector off the bulb base. Rotate the bulb counterclockwise or release any retaining spring. Then pull the bulb straight out while avoiding contact with the glass to prevent oil transfer and premature failure. Wear gloves or use a clean cloth to hold the new bulb by its base and avoid touching the glass. Insert the bulb into the socket in the exact orientation, rotate or secure the retaining clip, then reconnect the wiring harness. Turn on the headlights to confirm proper operation, adjust aim if needed, and replace the dust cap and any removed components before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.